This is Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see here some beautiful bits of metal, solid billet. I mean, this is heavy stuff, not the die-cast crap that you get from the Far East. Okay, this really is proper stuff. You know, the shite on eBay and Motir and some of the other people are selling really is garbage, and this is proper CNC billet. Billet means forged alley. It's putting the pressure in, under pressure, into a rolling mill, and it's very, very strong. Okay, not die cast rubbish, which is more like an aero bar. Now these particular risers will Triumph Rocket 3. Okay, this set will replace the stock risers. You can see here the picture. Here's the stock, here's the Rivco. Now to move that back, normally you'd have to change all your cables, all your hoses. Okay, this particular thing moves them up 1 inch towards the rider and 2 inch back. Like it says, the 2 inch gives you a much more upright position on reaching over the gas tank, which if you're short in the arm and the leg like me, that is a massive issue. Unless you're 6'5", you most likely need these 100%. This will significantly reduce back, neck and shoulder fatigue, which it does. They're machined from billet alley and triple chrome plated. Use these original hoses and cables with only minor rerouting required. Okay, made in South Pine Street, Burlington, Wisconsin, USA. Beautiful area. And as you can see, these do what they say on the tin, as opposed to a lot of the Far East stuff, which is bullshit. Universal means fits absolutely nothing at all. And when you see something that they're advertising on the web that says, will fit this, fit this, fit this, it's absolute crap. It won't. You want bike specific parts. That is the only way this will work. Okay, not universal means nothing. If you're interested in these great products, also available for VTX 18, XV16, XV19, various other Triumphs, the Rocket 3, this one, the Rocket 3 Touring they do, and also available for the America and the Thunderbird. Okay, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, and of course see all our other amazing stuff as well. I'll just give you a quick tour of the store if you want to see some other stuff that we do. Now, as you can see here, we've got Simpson built well helmets, FXR Fair in the Ultimate. We've got here Harley rotor upgrades, we've got P&M brakes, we've got nitrous kits, we've got Mammoth bars there, 1.5 inch. You can see all the gear we keep. Okay, and there's more down there, but with it not being a weekend, you can't see any of that. Here's all the luggage that we do, or some of the luggage, I should rephrase that. We've got hard bags as well. These are the vented jackets for summer, ladies jackets, Simpson genuine helmets, not pattern, Tuzos, all your Kiriakin stuff here. You know, you got I mean, you name it, it's here. Floorboards, these we sell a lot for the Triumphs and the Harleys and everything. This board will fit pretty well anything, folds up, movable in 5 positions as well. If you want to have a look, see these holes, this moves so you can adjust the position. But bell helmets I love personally, that's what I wear. Simos, this is a cool helmet as well. Totally illegal, but so is 73. Okay, here's some of your grips. And as you can see here, we've got PIA lights, we've got audio, we've got Mustang seats, we've got Granucci seats, we've got all different risers there as well. The BMW R1200C, we've got all sorts. Shocks, oils, every single oil from Indian to Harley. Just run out fully synthetic 2050, but we will be getting some more in. And as you can see here, fork oils, we do all different fork oils. You know, just masses of stuff. Here's Harley engines, Harley trannies, carburetors, blah blah blah, masses of grips. Okay, brake pads, everything you'll ever need. Okay, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.